Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to create Reddit ads. In this video, we're going to show you how exactly you can create Reddit ads step by step. If you've ever thought about running ads on Reddit but weren't sure where to start, this tutorial is for you. Reddit is home to thousands of active communities, which makes it an amazing platform for targeted advertising. Whether you're looking to drive traffic, increase sales, or boost brand awareness, Reddit ads can help you reach the right audience. We'll walk you through everything from setting up your Reddit ads account, choosing the right campaign objective, targeting the right audience, setting your budget, and creating an eye-catching ad. This tutorial will help you get your first campaign up and running smoothly. Alright, first things first, let's set up a Reddit ads account. To do that, head over to adsreddit.com. So once you do that, this is what the website's going to look like. So if you've already got an account, you can log in, but if you don't, you're going to have to click Get Started. You can continue with Google, or you can type in your email, business name, username, and create a password. So for this tutorial, let's say I'm creating a Reddit ads account for a business called TechFlow Solutions. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the details. Now for the next step, you have to verify your email, so you can click Send Email. So once you're done verifying your email, you're just going to come here and then reload the page. So once you reload it, you see that it's verified. Now let's carry on with the sign-up process. To set up your account, you're going to need your first name, last name, and your business website. You'll also notice an option that says, I work with an advertising agency. Now, unless you're actually managing ads for multiple clients as part of an agency, you don't need to check this box. If you select it, Reddit will set up your account as an agency account, which allows you to manage multiple ad accounts and collaborate with clients. But since we're creating an ad for our own business, we'll leave this unchecked. Now let's click Next. Now you're going to choose an industry that best fits your business. Since this is a tech company, let's go with Tech B2B. Alright, click Next. Next, you're going to be asked where your business is located, the country, and the currency, and you're going to have to type in your business number. So just go ahead, fill in the details, and move on to the next step. And then down here, if you'd like to receive calls from Reddit to get help managing your account and also get news and opportunities, you can select this, but we wouldn't need that, so I'm just going to deselect it. Once you're done entering the details, just click Finish and move on. Marvelous, now we're in. Let's take a quick look around the dashboard before we dive into creating your campaign. At the top of the page, you see some key details like your username and a special offer for up to $1,500 in ad credits if you're eligible. That's a nice bonus to start with. There's also a note letting you know that you'll need to set up a valid payment method before your ad can be reviewed and delivered. So keep that in mind as we move forward. Now let's focus on the left menu where you see several options that will help you manage your campaigns and account. So your ads manager is where you can create, monitor, and optimize all of your campaigns. From here, you can check your campaign's performance, view metrics, and make changes to improve your results. And then for create campaign, this is where we'll go to next to start setting up your ad. You'll be prompted to choose your campaign object, budget, and targeting options. Then here you can see campaign import. If you've already run campaigns on other platforms, or have some high-performing campaigns you want to bring over, you can use campaign imports to bring them into Reddit ads. Then you can see bulk import. If you're managing a large number of campaigns, bulk import helps you to upload multiple campaigns at once using a file. Then you've got Event Manager. This tool is essential for tracking your ad performance and conversions. It helps you understand how your users are interacting with your ads, whether they're signing up, making a purchase, or completing some other important action on your website. Next, you've got Audience Manager. One really cool feature is this Audience Manager, which allows you to manage and segment your target audiences. This helps you get more specific with who sees your ads, which is a huge advantage for running targeted campaigns. Then, billing is where you manage payment methods, view invoices, and track your spending. This is important for keeping track of your budget and ensuring everything is set up correctly before your ads go live. And that's a quick look at the dashboard. As you get more comfortable with Reddit ads, you'll likely use these features more often. But for now, we're focusing on getting your campaign up and running. Let's move on to creating your first ad. So here you can see that you've got three options: Simple Create, Advanced Create, and Import Meter Campaign. Yeah, so we're going to go with Simple Create. So with Simple Create, it's just going to give us a quick and easy way to set up an ad. So it just walks us through a 3-step process to drive traffic to our website. Then for Advanced Create, it gives us more control over our campaign. You can customize targeting, placement, and bidding strategies. Then for this option, it allows you to import existing high-performing campaigns from other platforms. Okay, so let's go with Simple Create. Now we're on step 1, which is the creative section. This is where you get to build the look and feel of your ad. You choose the media you want to use, like an image or a video, and then fill in some details that will make your ad stand out. Let's walk through it. Here we've got images or videos. You can either upload a fresh image or a video, or you can choose existing post from your post library. If you have an image or video ready, just click on upload and add it. This is where you can be creative. Make sure to choose something eye-catching that reflects your product or service. If you're using an existing post, just pick the one that best suits the campaign. Now we need to write a compelling headline. But before that, here you can see add images from your website. If you don't have an image ready, you can grab images directly from your website. Just click on this option to pull in images from your site automatically. It's a great way to ensure the visuals stay consistent with your brand. So if you've got a website already, you can get images from there using this option. So now let's write our headline. I'm just gonna write it. So I've just included a headline. So just ensure that you choose a headline that really speaks to your audience. Keep it short and impactful, but also descriptive enough to make people want to click. Okay, so your headline is a key part of getting people's attention. Make it count. Next, you're gonna add your destination URL. This is where your ad will take people when they click on it. Next, you're going to have to choose a call to action. So you've got different options here. You've got install, shop now, view more, sign up. All depends on which best fits your ad. All right. So you can choose to allow comments or not allow comments. It all depends on what you want. Now, let's talk about targeting. One of the best things about Reddit ads is that you can get really specific with your audience. You see 2 options, broad targeting and custom targeting. If you're just starting out, broad targeting is a great way to begin. It allows Reddit's algorithms to handle the audience selection for you, so you don't have to worry too much about specifics right away. It's like casting a wide net to see how your ad performs across different audiences. This is a good approach if you're still figuring out who your ideal audience is. You can always refine things later. But if you already know who your audience is and want more control, custom targeting is the way to go. This allows you to target specific demographics, interests, and even particular communities called subreddits. If you're targeting a niche group, custom targeting gives you the precision you need to reach the right people. So if we're going to use custom targeting, you can see the interest groups here. We've got some options, okay? So there's that. Then down here, you can see your location, which is already here. Your daily budget is also here. All right, next up, let's talk about your budget and schedule. This is a super important part of your campaign, so let's break it down. So here you've got your daily budget. This is the amount you're willing to spend per day on your ad. The daily budget helps control your costs so you don't overspend. You'll want to pick an amount that's in line with your goals, whether that's generating traffic, increasing conversions, or raising awareness. For example, if you've got a $10 daily budget, Reddit will try to spend that $10 throughout the day to get you the best results possible. You can select when you want your campaign to kick off. It can be right away, or you can set a specific date in the future. If you want to plan ahead, pick a start date that works with your marketing calendar. Then, for the end date, this is the date you want your campaign to stop running. You can leave it open-ended or set a specific end date depending on how long you want the ad to run. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to your payment method. So once you've added your payment method, you can publish. So just at the top right corner here, you can see the mobile view and the desktop view. Yeah, so this is what your ad's going to look like once it's up and running. And that's it. You now know how to create and launch a Reddit ad step by step. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.